subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung is reportedly gearing up to launch the successor of the Galaxy A14 smartphone as Galaxy A15, and before the launch, the upcoming smartphone renders has surfaced online by a popular leakster Evan Blass, in partner with the Tech Outlook. According to leaks and rumors, the Galaxy A15 will sport flat 6.4-inch display, with a U-shaped notch at the top center for selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone is seen to have a vertically aligned triple camera set up at the top left corner, including LED flash. The volume rockers along with the fingerprint sensor, which is equipped under the power button, is located on the right edge, while on the left appears to have an ejectable SIM slot. At the bottom we see a speaker grill, microphone, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone is said to measure at 160.2 by 76.8 by 8.4mm. Apart from this, there is no other details of Galaxy A15 has leaked so far. So as of now, that's all we know about the Galaxy A15 smartphone, and we'll come to know more details about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.